and welcome to my channel. I am Mrs. P. Tarleton. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today, I wanted to show you how I plan to work smarter and not harder for the coming semester. So what I have found is I often use graphic organizers to help students organize their work, organize their thoughts, make it easy also for me to see their thinking process. I create my own. The problem is that's very time consuming to create all of these things. What I have found is Canva. Canva.com actually has bunches and bunches of free graphic organizers, good for any subject. Not only that, they are fully editable. So you take what you like, you take the format that you like, and you edit it to fit your needs. So today I wanted to show you Canva and their graphic organizers. I'm going to also show you how to edit them. Make sure you stay till the end because I will be showing you one of my favorite features in Canva. Now remember, Canva is a free version. It has a free version with limited features. However, these graphic organizers are all in the free version. I haven't found one in the free versus the pro. That's not in there. So if you only have the free version, you're okay. However, if you are a teacher, you get the pro version for free. You just have to submit some paperwork, some documentation to prove that you're a teacher, and they will give you the pro account for free. That's a great thing. So let's get started. Let me show you how to use Canva for your graphic organizers. Make sure you stay till the end because I'm also going to show you one of my favorite features that I've just recently learned that Canva can do for you. Let's dive in. So here I am in canva.com. This is the free version. You do need to sign up for the free version. And remember, if you're a teacher, you get the pro version for free. So you get the additional benefits. Currently, I am on the free version using nothing else. If you go right here into the search and type in graphic organizer, it will pull up all these wonderful graphic organizers. If you click on one, it'll open it up. It is fully editable, so you can change the words. So you can change this to the steps in a math problem. Just type right over it. If you wanted to change the colors, you could do that as well. Click on the item, the image that you want to change, and it shows up here what color it is that you're currently on. Notice here. Click on the color. These are the current colors in your document. And you have down here, you can go down here and choose whatever colors you'd like. If you want to choose a custom color, you can do that here. If you know the hex code, you type that in here. Fully editable. So here's another graphic organizer. There are so many options to choose from. So I'm going to go over here, go back to the home because I want to show you one last thing that I think is absolutely amazing. Canva, if you want to create slides, presentation, I don't know about you, I'm not really good with colors. If you go to canva.com color palette generator, this, you don't even have to log in. You don't even have to create an account. You upload an image and it will give you all the hex codes for your image. So I go here, upload an image. I have this beautiful beach scene. I want to capture the colors from that. And here are the colors. And here are their hex codes. When you go into your slides, do custom color, go into Canva, custom color, type in that hex code, and it's going to give you that exact color. What did you think about Canva? How would you use it? Is this going to help save you time? We are always short of time. I know I am. I am always short of time. So, hope you found this helpful. Remember, step out and be uniquely wonderful you. Have a great day.